Today, we will explore the creative tools that can help you bring heartfelt moments to life, from makeout videos to romantic masterpieces. To capture the essence of love and intimacy on film, one must understand the power of visual storytelling. Pictory AI offers a unique twist to the creative process. It can transform your written descriptions into stunning images. Now, writers and creators can bring their words to life visually, turning concepts into captivating moments. When crafting romantic visuals, access to the right assets can make all the difference. Envato Elements offers an extensive library of stock photos, graphics, and music, allowing you to create visuals that stir the world. Sometimes your vision demands a personalized touch. Envato Market provides a marketplace where you can find tailored resources to match your creative vision. For that extra touch of inspiration, Depositphotos opens a world of possibilities. With a vast collection of high-quality images and videos, it's a goldmine for creators seeking to evoke emotions. These creative tools can transform your vision into a captivating reality. As creators, we have the privilege of crafting moments that touch the soul. With the right resources, your romantic visuals can truly leave a lasting impression. To know more, go to my description box and click on the link.